This is Alfredo's restaurant. They have a nice fish pond. Yeah, and on the side you have this house where you can dine in with tables. Nice restaurant to dine, to eat. This is our stopover for a few minutes. Look at the beautiful view surrounding this restaurant. Yeah, that's Alfredo's. Yeah, we're now entering this restaurant. So nice in here to stay and relax. Very refreshing. Yeah, this is my wife, my sister. Hello, Pipi. Good morning. Look at that. Yeah, this is the where you can dine. You can eat. Look at that. It's so cool, so fresh. It is just so beautiful. Wow, it's so amazing. So amazing place, very relaxing. They have this little pond, and maybe they raise tilapia or hito, bangus, and then serve it in the restaurant. Look at the view. Wow, the blue sky. So nice, nice weather. But it's so warm in here now. It's so hot. It is so hot. Oh, you can order fresh buko, avocado shake, guyabano. Different choices of drinks. Yeah. Buko shake, avocado, tuna french fried chicken. What's that? Garlic and cheese french fries. And mango shake. A lot of choices. This is Alvin. Oh, handsome boy. That's the van. That's the van where we ride. And my youngest son, Christopher. That's Alfredo's. Alfredo's restaurant. Wow, the wind is so nice. Nice feeling. Okay, see? You have this young coconut. And a lot of food for breakfast. Fried egg, sausage, hot dog, chicken, fish, squids, pusit, pancit, drinks, water. Oh, they have also a salad, sinigang na baka. Ito po yung may-ari. Kikita niyo ito sa YouTube.
Hi. Anong sir?
Danilo Lee.
Teddy?
Danilo Lee. Bigay ko sa iyo, mama.
Sige, sir.
Kinukunan ko dapat mga mga 20 minutes.
Dumaan ako dito one time, konti yung pagkain. Kaya sabi ko, pa-total yan.
Tapos gusto nyo mag-CR, punta tayo sa restroom. Dito sa baba. Yan. Ito sa lalaki. Yeah, for men. Ganda ng CR nila, malinis. May tubig. Oh. Tapos dito sa unahan, ito yung sa mga babae. Yan, for women. Oh, CR for female. See, napaka-presko dito. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, it's so breathtaking. With all the green, the greenery, the trees, the grass. So amazing. Nice place to go to. Alfredo's Restaurant. Anong lugar ito nang?
Sitio Tundunan, Sandoval po.
Ano?
Sitio Tundunan, Sandoval.
Sitio
Tundunan.
Jundunan?
Tundunan.
Jundunan, Sandoval. Unsa man ay town sa kuan? Puerto Princesa?
Oo, sa Rojas. Barangay ang Sandoval.
Barangay ang Sandoval. Nya lungsod ang Puerto Princesa. Gikan mami Puerto Princesa.
Oo, laso ng muna sa Rojas man.
Okay. Rojas, Puerto Princesa. Okay. Kani unsang maning nga kahoy mahogan eh?
Paper tray po.
Ha?
Paper tray.
Paper tree. Oh, yes. Look at the chicken.
Bisaya? Bisaya ka?
Oo, Bisaya, Tagalog, Ilonggo, Waray. Filipino good. Pinoy good. Bisdak. Nya kaning inyong koral unsa man ni kawayan? Ha? Kana gagmay. Pero puro pareho sa kawayan pod. Mas gagmay ni sa kawayan. Guwapong inyong pagkakuano kay gisiminto ang poste. Pero gigamitan ninyo lata sa biskwit, no?
Ito?
Oo. Nya gipatong ra ang kuan ang kahoy.
Oo, gipatong lang.
Kay maayo ba yaw? Dili maasi-asig kuan sa anay.
Patong mo lang siya sa sundok.
Guwapo pagka-construct. Nya kawayang gigamit og kuan. Baral. Concrete post under the house to have a greater support in case there will be typhoon. It can hold on the property.
Importante sa atin na pusok lang ako. Malamanan yung sa ito. Tapos
This is Alfredo's. restaurant in Palawan on our way to El Nido from Puerto Princesa. We stop over after 5 hours trip. Have the go to the restroom and try to relax for a few minutes. Ganda ng fish pond nila. May mga table sa tabi-tabi. You can dine in there and order some food. Beautiful too, I stay. This is the farm life. We're enjoying our vacation in the Philippines. Together with my son, my youngest, my wife, my nephew, and my older sister. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video. This is Dog Danny. Bye-bye.